Hi, this is Nathalie from Line.arrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here with another show and tell video of a new kit that is listed in my Etsy store as soon as this video is uploaded. And I have a link down below in the description box. And if you click on that, it will take you straight to the new kit. And it's called Spring Bloom. It's 20 pages, vintage journal pages. I'm going to show you the pages real quick. Lots of florals and a little bit of Easter also. Not too much, but just a little. Second page. And these are actually journal pages you can write on. So you can document your family moments during Easter or other moments in springtime or even summertime, because they are very floral. And this is one of my favorite pages with the window. I really like this one. Windows, actually. So, like I said, a lot of florals. I also included a ledger as a backing page, writing page for you to put in your journal, or you can use them to back the tags. This one is a little bit embellished. This is one of my favorite pages with all the florals. There's no right or wrong way, I think. Then we have the tags. Large tags, very large tags actually. Some little Easter tags. Maybe you can use these for Easter on the gifts or on the table decoration. A CD sleeve with some fuzzy cut items. Some journal cards. Little bits and bobs. Pockets. These are a smaller version of the bits and bobs and 2 extra journal cards / pockets. You can use them as you want. And this is just one page that I printed extra. So you already seen it. So these are the Spring Bloom pages. And as always, they will be on sale with an extra discount to promote as a new kit with 20% off. And if you follow the link, it will take you straight to the shop, and you can see all the pages again. But this is the complete flip through. In the shop I can't show you all the pages. So yeah, this is it for today. Another show and tell video. I hope you like it. Leave a thumbs up, leave a comment. If you're not subscribed, maybe you want to subscribe to my channel. I also have a Facebook group where I do a lot of challenges. We just finished Lavender and Lace challenge. Well, it's still running a little bit because everybody is finishing up their projects, and then we will do the giveaway in 3 different Facebook groups. And I will link a video of the challenge above this video. Yeah, this is it. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, stay creative. Greetings from the Netherlands, and I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye. Bye.